Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot: Cowboy Butter Chicken with Linguine. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. I have here linguine. I already cooked it according to the package. And I have the chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. I've already washed it and rinsed it in cold water. This here is some of the pasta water you must reserve, 1/4 cup. Unsalted butter, chicken stock, minced parsley, minced fresh garlic, lemon, extra virgin olive oil, heavy cream, shredded Parmesan cheese, Dijon mustard, paprika, red pepper flakes for a little heat. You can omit it if you like. Salt, black pepper. Now let's move on to making the Cowboy Butter Chicken. I have a saute pan here, and I'm going to turn it to medium low, and we're going to add the olive oil. Well, we got to let it heat up a little bit. We're going to add the chicken to this. I already salted and added black pepper to the chicken. Well, let's see if it's time to flip them to the next side. Then we're going to saute them on this side for about 3 minutes. Then we take them out of the pan and move on to the next step. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now that I've taken the chicken out of the pan, it's time to move on and add the butter. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now, as the butter melts, now we're going to add the garlic, the paprika, the red pepper flakes, some salt, and the black peppers. And we mix this up for 1 minute. Now we're going to add the Dijon mustard, chicken broth, the reserved pasta water, the zest from the lemon. Take out the seed and the lemon juice. Stir all this up, and we're going to let this simmer for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Now that this has simmered enough, it's been 3 minutes, we're going to add the heavy cream, the chopped fresh parsley, and we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, or until it gets thick. Now let's see how the sauce is coming along. Okay, it's good. Now it's time to add the chicken back into the pan. The Parmesan cheese. And the pasta. Now we're going to toss everything together and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. There you have it, Cowboy Butter Chicken with linguine. Enjoy. Well, it looks good. Let's see how it tastes. I already served a little up in this bowl to try it. You can taste the garlic, the butter, the lemon, and just a little heat, just enough heat to give it a good kick. Yes, I would make this again. You must try it also. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.